The amount of people that come to me and ask about gift tax is insane. In some jurisdictions, there's gift tax. We used to have, well, not really gift tax, we used to have death taxes in Australia. So there's a lot of ambiguity about what taxes relate to providing gifts. Hi, I'm Andrew Jeffers and this is the 2-Minute Accountant. So here's the key. There is no gift tax if it's purely a gift. So what's a gift? A gift is merely that. It is actually a gift. You get a lot of parents from overseas want to gift their child some money to help them off with a house. Or somebody sold some property, or a grandparents have sold some property, they give them the money. It's a gift. We even have some parents from overseas who are gifting their child who's studying in Australia $1,000 a week to cover rent and study. That's actually a gift as well. So anything to do with giving people money that's not related to them performing a service or them being involved in some sort of income producing activity is merely a gift. The difference between a gift and a non-gift is pretty much around this thing called a nexus. Is there a tie between a business or a work activity and the gift? Is there a tie between a rental property and gift? So you have sometimes parents, they should be getting $1,000 a week. They let their child rent the apartment for $200 a week. Well, that is not a gift. That is actually payable. And it's not payable at $200, it's payable at $1,000. So technically they're gifting them $800 every week because the rent's only $200 instead of $1,000. They would have to pay tax on the full $1,000. It's not a gift. That's in relation to an investment or something that's going to earn income. So the question always comes back is, why were you given this? If it was purely based on nothing but you wanted to help someone out, there is no gift tax. The other question we get often asked is about gifts and Centrelink. So I'm not going to profess to know all the rules and regulations around Centrelink. But what I can tell you is this. There's a certain limit of money that you're allowed to have before they cut your Centrelink benefits. So let's call it 600,000. You're smart, you say, well, I've got $1 million, I'll give 100 grand to each of my 4 kids, and then I'll only have 600 left and I'll get the full benefits. Well, that's not the case. Centrelink recognise that you're going to give away some money, but they will still use part of that money in the calculation over the next several years. So this isn't the exact number, but it might be 50 grand a year. So even though you've given it 400 grand away, it's going to take 8 years for that to be reducing the amount of assets you have to come into your Centrelink, understand how much you get paid.